Good day everyone, I am Ayasadine Azurin. In this presentation, we will discuss privacy, an important topic in information systems and technology. We will explain the right to privacy and its basis, privacy protections under the law, information privacy, privacy laws, applications and court rulings, and the key privacy and anonymity issues. These issues include data breaches, electronic discovery, consumer profiling, workplace monitoring, and advanced surveillance technology, together with the ethical issues related to each. So what is privacy? Privacy refers to the right of an individual to control their personal life and personal information. It means having the ability to decide what information is shared, how it is used, and who can access it. Privacy applies not only to physical spaces such as homes, but also to digital environments like emails, social media accounts, online transactions, and information systems. In today's digital society, personal data is constantly being collected through websites, mobile applications, surveillance cameras, and tracking technologies. Without proper privacy protection, individual may feel constantly monitored or exposed. Privacy helps protect human dignity, freedom, trust, and personal security. Next is the right of privacy and its basis. The right of privacy is recognized as a fundamental human right. It is based on the principle that every person deserves respect and autonomy. This right allows individuals to maintain control over their personal information and personal decisions. The basis of the right of privacy includes human dignity, which requires respect for personal boundaries, personal autonomy, which allows individuals to make choices about their own data, and freedom from unreasonable intrusion, especially by governments, employers, or organizations. These rights protect individuals from being monitored, tracked, or having their information shared without proper justifications or consent. Next is privacy protection under the law. Privacy protection under the law refers to legal safeguards that regulate how personal data is collected, processed, stored, and shared. These laws are created to prevent misuse, abuse, and unauthorized access to personal information. Under privacy laws, organizations are required to collect only necessary data, use data for legitimate purposes, and apply security measures to protect information. Legal protections also ensures accountability, meaning organizations can penalize if they violate privacy rights. Individuals are given the right to complain, seek corrections of their data, and demand proper handling of their information. Information privacy focuses specifically on the protections of personal data stored and processed in information systems. This includes personal identification details, financial records, and medical information and online activities. Information privacy ensures that personal data is collected lawfully, used responsibly, and protected from unauthorized access. It also gives individuals the right to know how their information is used and to request corrections when data is inaccurate or misused. Privacy laws, applications, and court rulings. So privacy laws are applied through government regulations, organizational policies, and court rulings. Court is important in interpreting privacy laws, especially when new technologies create situations not clearly addressed by existing regulations. Court rulings help define the limits of data collection, surveillance, and monitoring. These decisions ensures that privacy rights continue to be protected even as technology evolves.
Laws protecting personal data. In the Philippines, the main law protecting personal data is the Data Privacy Act of 2012. This law ensures that personal information is processed responsibly and securely. There are also cybercrime laws and consumer protection laws that support data privacy and prevent misuse of electronic information. Ethical issues in privacy law. Ethical issues arise when organizations collect data without informed consent, gather excessive information, fail to secure data properly, or lack transparency. Informed consent means individuals clearly understand and agree to how their data will be used. Without ethical practices, privacy law may not be fully affected. Key privacy and anonymity issues. Key privacy issues include data breaches, electronic discovery, consumer profiling, workplace monitoring, and advanced surveillance. Anonymity means the ability to remain unidentified. These issues threaten a person's ability to keep their identity and information private. Data breaches. Data breaches is the unauthorized access to confidential information. It can be caused by hacking, system failure, or human error. Data breaches may expose sensitive personal data, can result financial loss or identity theft. Electronic discovery. Electronic discovery or e-discovery is the process of using electronic data such as email, message, and digital document as legal evidence in court. While it helps in investigation, it may also raise privacy concern because personal communication can be examined.
Next is consumer profiling. Consumer profiling involves collecting and analyzing consumer data to understand behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. Common strategies include tracking online activity, analyzing purchase history, using loyalty programs, and collecting social media data. These ethical issues include lack of informed consent, invasion of privacy, manipulation of consumer behavior, and discrimination based on data profiles. Ethical consumer profiling requires transparency, consent, and fairness.
Workplace monitoring. Workplace monitoring refers to the supervision of employee activities using tools such as email monitoring, internet tracking, CCTV cameras, and GPS system. Employees use this to improve productivity, protect company resources, and ensure security. Why employers use workplace monitoring? Because it improves productivity, protect company's resources, ensure security and compliance.
Ethical workplace monitoring must be transparent, reasonable, and respectful of employee rights. The next one is advanced surveillance technology. Advanced surveillance technology includes facial recognition systems, biometric identification, GPS tracking, and artificial intelligence-based monitoring systems. These technologies have the capability to identify individuals automatically, track movements in real time, analyze behavior patterns, and store large amounts of personal data. Capabilities of advanced surveillance. Advanced surveillance technologies can perform real-time monitoring, automatic identification, behavior analysis, and large-scale data storage. Examples include facial recognition, biometric systems, and AI-based tracking tools. These systems are powerful and collect massive amounts of personal data quickly.
Ethical issues in advanced surveillance. The ethical issues include mass surveillance, loss of anonymity, abuse of power, and lack of transparency. Mass surveillance means monitoring a large group of people. This may violate individual rights and freedom if not properly regulated. Conclusion. In conclusion, privacy is a fundamental of human right that must be protected through strong laws, ethical practices, and responsible of use technology. As technology continues to advance, it is essential to balance innovation with respect for privacy, human dignity, and individual freedom.